Okay, so this is the homework for our on-level math classes. We wanted to help you out with a couple of questions. The first question I want to look at is going to be number 3, letter B. Now, we have a lot of words on this question. However, the most important part is we're focusing on the formula, and then we're focusing on the numbers that we need to be plugging in. Okay, so on our separate sheet of paper, it's 3, and it's letter B, okay, 3B. However, it needs to be shown that's nice and neat. The formula I'm using is S equals D over T, and remember that every fraction is a division problem. So now I just plug in the things that I know. Letter B tells me that D is equal to 20, and T is equal to 0.5, or a half. So I don't know anything about S. I bring down my equal sign. My D is 20, so that's my top number, and my T is 0.5. So some of you already automatically know how many halves or how many 0.5s fit into 20. For those that don't, we pull over to the side. Top inside, right, or first inside. The rule is in my divisor, which is the outside number, I cannot have a decimal. So I'm going to go ahead and move that over once, meaning I would also move this decimal over once and add a 0. 5 into 2 is 0 times 5 into 20 is 4, and that's 20. Subtract and get 0. 5 into 0 is 0. So my answer is S equals 40. Okay. Now, while we're at it, we might as well look at our next question. I want to look at number 5. Number 5 says the cost of staying in a hotel is given by this formula. Okay, that's the important part, is the formula. I feel like it's not focused. Give me a second. Let's see if we can't fix that. Maybe this is the light issue. Maybe that's better, hopefully. So here's my formula. It says C is the cost, and D is the number of days. D is the number of days. So that's important because in my questions, it says A equals 3 days, so I would be plugging in 3 here for D. But the one I want to look at is letter C because it says 2 weeks. Well, how many days are in 2 weeks? Well, 7 days per week means 14 days. So I'm going to be plugging in 14. Again, I'm going to write my formula. And this is number 5. Letter C. The formula says C equals 50D plus 20. What's happening between the 50 and the D? Well, they're being multiplied. So once I plug in my values, I don't know C. It doesn't give me that. The only value it does give me is the letter for D, which is 14 days. That's my 2 weeks. And then plus 20. All right. According to PEMDAS, remember PEMDAS, multiply and divide are from left to right. Add and subtract are also from left to right. Parentheses, there isn't anything in that parenthesis but a single number, so there's nothing to do there. Exponents don't have them. Now, multiply and divide happens first before adding and subtracting. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to pull over. I'm going to work out 50 times 14. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Bring down a 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. Add it up. 700. So bring down the C and my equal sign. The answer to this is 700. Now, I prefer to sometimes cross that out, not scribble it out, but just cross it out to let myself know that I've already used it, and that way I bring down everything else that's not crossed out. And my last step is to add 700 plus 20, which makes 720.